Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Strange Doorbell Kitchen Part 2. So we're taking the trash out. As you can see, it's early in the morning. It's like 11:10. My cousin is getting his camera ready. So I'll be a little quiet here. I don't want to lose any of this. So I'm gonna come out. Nathan, be quiet. So we gotta take out the trash. So we're walking here. So I'm talking. We'll take it. I'm just walking by right now, and we're just in the middle of the hallway right now. We just gotta take a left, and we're gonna be at the trash. So what my idea is, we have a close run back. So we'll see how this goes. It'll be probably easy. But we'll see how this goes. I'll meet you when you throw the trash away after. Okay, so we're back from doing it. So Nathan, which one do you want to do? We can't do one far from the house. Oh, someone's here. Okay. Let's go the.
No, we did this one. No, we did that one.
Yeah, I think. Oh no, we did. You could tell. No, we did this one.
Yeah, this one.
So this is the door we did last time. So I want to see if we can try to do a different door. Nathan, should we try that door?
Someone that's either this way or this way and then that way.
Let's do that. Let's do that one.
No, that's to go see if we can bring Xbox.
Let's do that.
We already did this.
It's early in the morning. It's early in the morning. Not on the ring camera, unless you want to bend down and do it. Hold on. Mom, let's just do it. Someone right here. One of those. Just do it. So we're trying to make up a plan, because we're not doing it. There's a little girl with a little toy, a little car, making noise. So we're trying to make a plan if we're going to do this person or the person I did last time on my other video. That was a weak knock. But I'll catch you guys when we think we might do it. One of the house, but we're gonna kick that door down, and you know it. Okay, see ya. Okay, we got our disguise underwears just in case.
Show mine.
We got underwear. We got the Spider-Man logo. So we gotta do this. Wait, I'm good. Should we do it? Wait, we did that door last time. Wait, we did that door last time. Nathan, we found a door. Nathan, we did that door last time. The camera's right there. How do you know? Let's do it. Wait. This one. We're doing this door. Okay. Wait, no, I'm doing it on my phone. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Okay, hold the camera. Hold on, I got you. I gotta do something in a second. Wait. Oh, jeez. Alright, it's my sister. Okay, we did that. We gotta eat first, and then we might do one more, and that would be Nathan's turn. But that was cool. Not even.
Spider-Man.
I hit it. Okay, you can't lie. I hit that hard.
Yeah, you pretty good.
Yeah, I did. So can't lie. Okay, I'm gonna take this off because I look goofy with it. But I'll meet you guys in a second. So we're done eating. So stop being emo. Okay, so we gotta go look for it. Stop recording. Oh shit. What is it?
It's other doors. Someone can come up through there. They can go over to the other.
Nathan, come here.
Alright, turns out we came to the second floor. And he took out the disguises because almost followed us without our disguises. So now we're just regular people walking through. So
Yeah, so they're not gonna suspect anything. Look, you see, we got a fire alarm. One of these, just in case, you know, just in case someone tries to rob us or something.
you know you can lock it, right?
Well, we don't need to.
You can lock that.
I can't. Oh
Like
no.
this.
So, check out. Let's go this way.
Sorry, it's just like someone's coming up through the other door.
We don't want to get killed.
You're just scared.
I'm not scared. I just don't want to die.
I'm not gonna die.
Okay, let's go.
No, 9/11 is gonna pop up.
What happens if they do? Wait. I think they are. Come here.
Help, mommy. Give me a shot.
Okay.
Now I can say I got shot by the first time.
I got shot already. I got shot first.
That'd be your second time.
I got shot in the foot already.
I got killed first.
I got killed first. I got shot and killed. What the? Stop twerking.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. So we are on the run. Nathan, are you, bro? What did
My mom just dropped their weapon. No, she's dead. Okay, let's go.
Okay, that's good.
That's what I said. She locked the door.
We're done.
A little messed up.
And don't you got the keys? Did you
You hear like a big crying or someone like
hear? Yeah, like yelling, like shh. Down there. It's down there. There's a little
What's it
kid down
called?
there. Oh, there's a dog. There's a dog.
Oh yeah, there's people. Max is gonna have a longer version.
Hold on.
I'm gonna have a short.
I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, look. There's a dog down there.
Is that a dog?
Yeah, look. See?
What if we move this way when it comes chasing me?
Yeah, but the thing is, I don't know.
Do you think I come chase it?
Let's just go right now. Or get sturdy, get sturdy, get sturdy. Yeah.
What if we do a dead trees?
Ooh, 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 ooh. As you're speeding. The dog is gone. Let's go.
Yeah, because he did.
Let's go. We should complete.
Sorry.
Hit the door.
I didn't mean to do that.
Hit me with the chancla. With sure. Trying to shoot it past the camera. Shh. Hold on, I heard voices. Shh. Pass me and hit the door. Yes, go. So I'll be out here. So I gotta sit here now. I'll be here. So I gotta wait for my cousin. But I gotta make sure no one else is coming here. So that's a bad thing. So we'll see what happens. So I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, good. Okay, so I'm trying to come here, and let's do this.
Who's gonna record this time? You? I'm gonna knock.
I gotta knock.
You
No,
wanna
you.
knock?
I'm gonna kick it.
Don't kick it, just go like. That's what I was gonna do. Oh, so good.
Do we do this one? Yeah.
want to do it? Go right there? Okay, let me lock it. Alright, there you go. Come. Stand right here, stand right here. Ready, stand right here. I'm ready. Go. No. Just
Okay, we got a plan now. We're gonna do second floor because we have, how many floors is this place? 5 floors. Should we do 5th?
Let's do 4.
4th and 2nd floor. We're gonna do 4th and 2nd floor and see how that goes. But the part that I'm concerned is what happens if we're not fat. We're fast enough. But the thing is, we're not at our house. We're doing it on our level. So but we'll see how that goes. We'll see if it's better because no, we haven't done it in a while. Though that person in a while, but let's go try it out. Okay, I'll catch you guys when we're up in 2nd floor. Yeah, up here, 2nd floor. So, we gotta go do it. Let's go. Nathan. Keep that door open. Fine. Okay, hold up. We're gonna do this. Okay, ready? I'll keep the door open. Keep the door open, like wide open, and then one in. Hold up. I gotta record myself like. Okay. So that was part 2 of that. So we might do one tomorrow or later, or the day after tomorrow. And we might do it. But yeah, that's what it was. If you guys like it, let us know so we can do more content like this. And goodbye for part 3.
I do a wish in a well.